Hello, my name is Thomas Norton, and I work in the Educational Technology Department at BJU Press. Today I'm going to quickly show you a tool called Flip. It used to be called Flipgrid, and this is a tool that allows you to create video discussions with your students. So your students will each be able to upload a video of themselves talking about a topic or answering a question, and then other students can reply to those. You can reply to those with a video, and it allows you to have an interactive discussion online. So once you've logged in and created an account with Flip, you're going to go up here to the Add Group button and click on that. This would be like creating a class. So we'll click Create a Group. There are a couple of different options here. We'll click Classroom, and then I will set this up for a high school classroom, and we will do a physical science class. So you would probably want to create one of these for each of your different classes, not just a group for all of your students, so that just students in your class can see each other's submissions to each topic. You have some options here to edit the theme. You can change the picture there, and then some other options on how people can join. You can send your students a link at this point and they can join, or you can, if you have Google Classroom, integrate with that. And if you sign in through Google, your students will be able to just join in from there. I believe you can actually import your class as well. If you would not like to add your students at this point, there is another step where you can invite students to your class. So I'll show you that as well. So for now, we'll just click Create Group. And that will quickly create our class. So I have my physical science class up here. You'll notice that Flip has already created 3 different topics. Topics are where your students can join in and create a video and a response for other students to see. So if you don't want these 3 topics to be here for your class, you'll just go ahead and check those and you can delete those. And then once we've done that, we're able to create our first topic. So if I'm starting a physical science class, I'll hit Add Topic, and I want my topic here to be what is science. Perhaps this is an introductory question. I want students to just start thinking and giving their thoughts about what science means. And then in the description, I can give a question. I can say, answer the question, what is science? And then reply to 2 classmates' videos. Down here, you can add a picture, your own video if you would like, and then there's some stickers and other options. There's also recording time. You can change how much time students are allowed to record their video for. Before we hit post topic, I want to show you a few more options up here in the settings tab. So we're on the details tab up here on the right. If you move over here to the settings tab, you can first of all select an end date. So if you want your students only to be able to post videos in this topic until the end of the week, we can click Friday, and that will give us that option. You also have the option to add moderation. So if you want to have to approve each video before it gets posted, make sure there's nothing objectionable there, you can add that option. There's a checkbox for that. And then you can also control what kind of responses students are allowed to make, if they're allowed to make video responses or text responses to other students, or you can even turn that option all the way off. Okay, once we have done making our topic and we've changed our settings to the way we like them, we can click post topic. And at this point, we get another link And this link will take your students directly to this topic or this discussion that you've created. So if you click copy link at this point and share this link with your students, it will give them the option it will automatically help them join your class, and then it will also give them, um, bring them right to this topic so they can create a video for um, this topic. You are also able to add your own response as the teacher if you would like, give students an example of what they're looking for. I'm not going to do that right now because I am recording on my screen. And then as student responses come in, you'll be able to give feedback to students, reply with a comment to them, and give them some replies. Also, your students will be able to look through the other students' responses and give a response to what they said in their video. So this allows students to kind of create an asynchronous discussion as that's going on as they're making their videos. So I hope this tool can be helpful. I hope you can find ways to use it in your classroom. Give your students a different way to respond to a question rather than just a written response or something that's posted on Google Classroom or something they turn into you. Give them a chance to branch out and use some video um, in a new way. So I hope this can be helpful to your classroom. I hope you find great ways to use it. Can't wait to hear about that, and I hope you have a great day.